What's up, guys? I know it's been a while since y'all seen me make any videos on here. If you're watching on TikTok or Facebook, you can go over to my YouTube, TPZ Auto, see some of my old videos. I just got my LLC, so I am now working on building a shop back here. I just have, as you can already see, a lot of cleanup to do, but yeah. Okay, this thing was supposed to be good for more than that little bit of a spray, but yeah, I'll go ahead and walk around. I wanted to walk around and spray, but this is going to be like a storage area, and I'm gonna come out. I'll just walk over here. I went through here with the bush hog and kind of butchered a lot of stuff, but I'm gonna come out right here, across here, and I'm gonna build me a 20 by 20 shop that way. So I gotta get all of this cleared out. This will kind of be for storage, because none of this was built on concrete, so I'd have to knock the wall down, put concrete under it, and then put the wall back up. So it's just gonna be for storage. But yeah, that's what we're looking at right now. That's crazy. Anyways, I will see y'all. I'll probably do little updates here and there. I'm working on getting a grant to help me build the shop, so that way I can get it thrown up pretty quick. I'll let y'all know how that works. We'll see. But yeah, hopefully there will be a shop here soon, and we'll be turning and burning.